Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do billing. When ready to bill, click on the billing menu on the left. The approved visits will appear on the Ready to Bill tab. Click on the agency you wish to view details of. This is the summary of what the invoice will include. You may adjust the bill at this point. To add visits to the existing invoice, click on the Action button on the summary box. To recalculate a visit amount, click the Action button on the visit and click Recalculate. When the invoice details are validated, click on Create Invoice button. This will generate your invoice. Then click Continue to go to Invoice Detail to send an invoice to the agency. You may also view your invoice in PDF before you send by clicking on Action. Print Invoice. To send the invoice via email, click the Email Invoice button. A window will appear with the recipient's contacts already added in the agency profile. You can also add more recipients. You can also include visit notes, signatures, and invoice attachments. Click on Send Email. The sent date will be populated. To check who was it sent to, simply click on the sent date to display recipients. You are all set. Congrats on sending your first invoice. Thank you so much for watching.